Blender is another really useful and really fun, amazing program which is used for modeling 3D graphics. Like the other software that I recommend, all of this stuff is free and open source. In the video you will see that I'm making a very simple donut. This is just to demonstrate the kind of capabilities that Blender has. I'm basing this donut on a tutorial which I watched, which is really good. I'm putting the link in the description. So if you choose to learn Blender, then have a look at that tutorial, and that will get you very far, very quickly. You will see that in Blender we have all sorts of possibilities, including playing with materials, and adding lighting.